Gantsilyo Beginner Lesson number 7. How to make treble crochet stitch. Sa lesson natin today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng treble crochet stitch at kung paano magbilang ng stitches and rows. Ang mga materials na kailangan natin for today's lesson is yarn and hook. I use 3.5mm hook and a yarn needle for stitching our loose ends. Sa paggawa ng treble crochet, magsisimula tayo sa paggawa ng slip knot na itinuro ko noong lesson number 2. Next step ay gagawa tayo ng foundation chain of 10 plus 4 another stitches. Ang paggawa naman ng chain stitch ay itinuro ko sa lesson number 3. Kapag natapos na natin yung 10 chain, magdadagdag naman tayo ng 4 additional chain stitches. This is what we call the turning chain, and this is counted as a treble crochet stitch. Ang step 4 ay kailangan nating mag-skip ng 4 chain stitches. Always remember na this loop sa ating hook ay not counted as a stitch. Step 5, yarn over twice. Dapat meron tayong 3 loops sa ating hook. And then we're going to skip the 4 chains and then i-insert natin yung hook doon sa 5th chain. Next step is yarn over and pull through. Kailangan merong 4 na loops sa ating hook. Step 7, kailangan mag-yarn over and pull through on 2 loops. Dapat meron tayong 3 loops sa ating hook. Yarn over again and pull through on both loops. Kailangan merong 2 loop na matitira sa hook. And then, lastly, yarn over and pull through on both loops. That's the first treble crochet stitch. Uulitin ko ngayon ng medyo mabilis yung process ng paggawa ng treble crochet. Kailangan natin mag-yarn over ng 2 beses. Dapat merong 3 loops sa ating hook. And then, i-insert natin yung hook doon sa next chain. And then, yarn over and pull through. Dapat merong 4 loops sa ating hook. Yarn over again. Pull through on both loops. Dapat merong 3 loop na matitira sa hook. And then, yarn over and pull through again on both loops. Ngayon, 2 na lang yung natirang loops sa hook. And then, yarn over and pull through on both loops. That's our second treble crochet stitch. Kung medyo mabilis yung video, pwede nyo i-pause or i-rewind para masundan nyo yung aking tutorial kung paano gumawa ng treble crochet stitch. At sa next part ng lesson natin, ipapakita ko kung paano tatapusin ng row at paano gagawa ng panibagong row. So, nag-yarn over ako and then i-insert ko yung hook doon sa pinaka-last chain na makikita nyo sa inyong piece. Nang yarn over ako and then pull through, kailangan may 4 na loop sa hook. yarn over again and pull through on both loops. Dapat may tatlong loop sa hook. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. Dapat may dalawang matitirang loop sa hook, and then yarn over and pull through on both loops. And that's the last treble crochet stitch for our first row. And this is what treble crochet stitch look likes. Sa next part ng lesson natin ay tuturuan ko na kayo kung paano gumawa ng new row. We'll start by making a chain of 4. Lagi tayo magsisimula sa every row ng chain of 4 at ito ay counted as a treble crochet stitch. And now, turn na natin yung ating work like this. And then, magte-treble crochet tayo doon sa pangalawang chain. Kasi diba yung chain 4 natin ay counted as a stitch. Nag-yarn over na ako ng 2 beses at meron na tayong 3 loops sa ating hook. Ngayon, i-insert na natin yung ating hook doon sa pangalawang stitch. And then yarn over and pull through. Dapat meron tayong 4 na loops. And then yarn over again. Kailangan may 3 loops tayo sa hook. Yarn over again and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through on both loops. At meron na tayong second treble crochet stitch for our second row. All we have to do now ay paulit-ulitin lang yung mga steps kung paano gumawa ng treble crochet stitch hanggang makarating tayo sa pinaka last stitch of the row. At this point, gagawin na natin yung last 2 stitches for our row 2. Nag-yarn over na ako ng 2 beses at i-insert ko yung hook doon sa second to the last stitch natin from our previous row. Insert your hook. Then yarn over and pull through. Dapat meron tayong 4 na loops sa ating hook. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. Yarn over and pull through on both loops again. Yarn over and pull through on both loops, and that's the second to the last stitch. Ngayon, titingnan naman natin kung saan natin ipa-place yung ating last treble crochet stitch. Ilalagay natin siya doon sa pinaka last stitch ng ating turning chain, yung pinakataas. So makikita natin merong V doon at i-insert natin doon yung ating hook doon sa center ng chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. Yarn over and pull through on both loops. And that's the last treble crochet stitch for our second row. Para sa last part ng ating lesson for today, tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano magbilang ng stitches at rows. Okay, tapusin ko lang tong ating piece of work. And then, mag-start na tayo kung paano magbilang ng stitches. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mga nakatayong bars. Lahat ng mga nakatayong bars na yan ay counted as treble crochet stitch. So, bibilangin natin siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then, yung mga chain stitches or turning chains na ginawa natin ay counted as stitch. So, all in all, dito sa ating first row ay meron tayong 11 treble crochets. Same goes doon naman nasa taas, yung another level or another set ng treble crochet stitch natin. Dahil meron tayong tatlong level ng treble crochet, ibig sabihin, meron tayong tatlong rows of treble crochet stitch. At kung mas malalaki ang mga stitches natin, unlike sa ibang kind of crochet stitch or specifically yung half double crochet and single crochet stitch, kasi maliliit siya, mahirap magbilang. Pero pag mas malalaki yung stitches, like the double crochet and treble crochet, madali ma-distinguish yung each stitches niya. And also the rows. Yun lamang po for today's lesson. I hope natuto na kayo kung paano gumawa ng treble crochet stitch, paano magbilang ng rows and stitches. And that's all for today. Yun lamang po para sa araw na ito. Salamat po sa panonood. Thank you for watching. See you again on our next video. Bye!